Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm sure you guys have noticed I have not been active, but I'm back today to show you guys how I created this French set, and I tested out some new tips and I love them. This is the brand Novo Ovo. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And the reason I love these tips is because they are pre-etched inside and out, so you don't have to prep them when you polish, you don't have to prep them when you apply them. And then right here I'm just showing you guys they come in 15 different sizes, 0 to 14. And then underneath each tip has a number, so that way you don't ever get confused. Like these last ones are 14, and then the first one, it starts with number 0. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these tips up close, and then I did show like how sturdy they are. If I could get the tip out. But anyway, so this is what they look like individually. They are all pre-etched. They have, excuse me, they have a really nice apex. I have not tried them yet, like on my hands, but just like working with them and the quality and filling them, they are extremely sturdy. And then I just wanted to show you guys like the length. I'm wearing an extra short square tip by Apres, and then these ones are, in my opinion, a long square with an apex. And the client that actually bought these, she said they are the best filling press-ons she's ever had, and then like by me as well, she said they feel the sturdiest she's ever felt. And I only use Apres tips. I will venture out and use a couple different like Amazon tips, and those are normally just for like XXL, 5XL, things like that. But my long square I've always used from Apres, and I've always loved them. I still do, but these are just like, they're a different level of sturdiness. And then the fact that you don't have to prep them, like, yes, please, like, prep is honestly the worst part in my opinion, because you have to, you know, prep them individually, put them on the stands, and then you can start. But with these, you just pop them on the stand and they're done. You're ready to start applying. So yeah, so here we are. I'm going to be using this, I'm using 3 different layers to create this base. So the first one, as you saw, was Igel Beauty Take Me Home, and I'm doing an extremely light layer with this color. And I like to just make sure that it's all very, very even. That first layer, even though you might not think it matters in order to have like a super like nice base and like flat and just consistent all the way around. You want to make sure you're applying it evenly all the way around. So I just take my time always with everything, base coat, nail art, everything. I truly take my time. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with just one coat of Take Me Home. It's honestly, because I do Gel X as well, Take Me Home has been a very popular base. So if you don't have it in your collection, you probably should. So it's really pretty. So this is what it looks like with just one layer. It's really a pretty base coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in because I wanted to add a little bit of glitter. I love the base coat that I did for my nails, but I wanted a little more pink, so that's what I'm gonna do with this base. This color right here by this brand, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. If you don't have it in your collection, again, another color, like this has been a staple color, and it's a builder gel. So it just adds that extra strength. It does everything you need it to do, plus add some shimmer. So yeah, one thing I like to do when I'm using builders is to flip the stand upside down just so it can level out before I cure it. I will show you guys that when I'm done doing the layer, the second layer. And so with my nails that I have on, I'm not sure if you guys can see the base, but I basically did the Take Me Home I believe, and then I did 2 coats of this glitter. So you could always do that too if you want it more of like a nude, but I wanted it to have more of a pink color or tint. So I added one more color on top of this that is very sheer, but just adds that perfect amount of pink, and just finished it. It's so pretty. I'm actually going to make another set with this base really soon here, so I'll show you guys that set as well. So yeah, this is what I'm going to go in with now. It's the Structure Translucent Pink by Gelish, another one of my favorite colors. Like, all of these pinks and nudes are just, you can never go wrong. You can never have enough. You can never go wrong. And then I am layering 2 builder gels, so this set is just like so sturdy, so sturdy. And then the fact that it's a 30-piece set, it's so much easier to sell 30-piece sets, because some people are still just getting into press-ons. They're still learning. So if you're selling, you know, 24 to 30-piece sets, they're not going to have to worry about a size kit or what size am I going to fit a standard small, medium, large. They don't have to worry about that. It takes like all the guesswork out of it, and boom, you have a 30-piece set. They can buy it, they can size them at home. They have extra nails just in case, because you can always go, you know, one size smaller or bigger. Just depends on how it feels with your fingers, because some people are like a half size, so they can easily fit into a size up and a size down. So they have extra nails. Like, it's just all around so much better. And I really like these tips because they come in 15 different sizes, so you're getting a 30-piece set just by doubling the size. Like, that's awesome. So yeah, shout out to you guys at Novo Ovo for thinking of that. I love that so much. It's kind of like the Prey like half size that they started doing, which I absolutely love as well, because I have a lot of customers and clients that are 4.5 and 5.5, so it helps out a lot. So I'm going in now with the Frenchies, and as you saw just before, I showed you guys I'm using the, I think it's called just gel polish. It's just on Amazon, and it's just a white polish, but I do really love this because it's not too thin and it's not too thick. I was using the Kiara Sky, I think it's called Blank Slate pot gel. I like it, but I feel like it's more for artwork. Like, it's so thick, and I noticed when I was doing the Frenchies, which I used it for my French set, and I noticed when I was doing it, it didn't like level out. So I didn't really like that, because I don't like when you can see, like, you know, lines or ridges when you're doing a French. Like, you want it to be super clean, super crisp, all that good stuff. So yeah, I prefer this this white instead over the pot gel, just because I haven't found another one like the Medusa pot gel, which I can't get anymore. So this is the closest one in my opinion, and it glides on so nice. So this is what it's looking like. I just love a clean French. So really quick, one thing I tried and I forgot to do on the first one, so I'm just showing you guys really quick, but I have been trying like different ways to perfect my French, and one thing that I noticed that helps a lot is to wipe off that sticky layer and just use an alcohol pad and wipe off the sticky layer. And I've noticed that when I do my French, it stays so crisp. Like I could just leave it there and then work on the next nail and then it's super crisp. But if I don't wipe that layer, I feel like it kind of gets like rigidy. Like I don't know how to explain it, but like it's not as crisp, the French. So yeah, I've noticed that when you wipe off that tacky layer and you have more of like a matte base to work with, it helps so much more, and I feel like the brush and just everything just glides way better. So yeah, I want to show you guys that like before I wiped off the layer, actually because I forgot, but I wanted to show you guys, keep that in there and show you guys the before and then now that I wiped off the layer, and just kind of show you guys like the difference in how I feel that the French works a little better. But yeah, let me know, do you guys wipe off the sticky layer? Do you just go in and do your French? Like what works best for you guys? Because so far this method right here works the best, unless I'm doing like a raw glitter French. Obviously I have to do a top coat, so I prefer to do it with a matte, but I mean a lot of people like gloss. So yeah, it's really everybody's, you know, own opinion. Another French done. I just think it looks so much more crisp, but I mean that's my opinion. So I'm just gonna speed through these next three really quick and then get to the dotting portion, which I think it is so easy to do like dots, but it makes the sets look so much more like intricate. Like I don't know, I just feel like the dots added so much to this set and I think it's so cute. I was thinking of doing one with like maybe neon dots or something like that. I don't know, what do you guys think? Tell me what to do next. Okay, so now that all Frenchies are done, we're gonna go in with the dots, and I am using the Kiara Sky gel pod. I love these for nail art only. I don't really love them for Frenchies unless there's a different way to use them for a French. I'm not sure. I just feel like they're way too thick. But yeah, so here is the dotting portion. I'm gonna speed through the next ones. I just want to show you guys how I did it really quick. So simple, so easy, but it really just adds so much to a set. So yeah, let me know what color you guys think would go good, or what combo even, like not white Frenchies, maybe a different color with different colored dots. Like, I don't know, I want to make like another really cute French set. My thing right now is Frenchies, so I want to make like every ready to ship set that I do is gonna be a French set with a twist. So yeah, that's my little challenge to myself, just because I'm obsessed with Frenches right now and I'm just having so much fun perfecting them. But yeah, this is a brand new dotting tool and cleanup brush. I mainly bought it for the brush, but I actually really love the dotting tool as well, and I will have everything linked down below or on my Amazon storefront, which I am also getting back to Amazon. It's hard sometimes. I have 4 kids at home. It's summertime. I kind of fell off on my videos, so I am back to weekly every Friday. Slowly but surely I will be doing twice weekly. I'm just, you know, trying to get back into the groove of things before August, before school starts, so that I can really be on my game. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this set. I'll definitely try to post also more pictures of what it looked like on my client. Since she did buy them, I'll have her send me some videos. But yeah, this is what they look like all packed. And again, this is a 30-piece set, just using 2 of each number, which there was 15 different sizes, so it makes it super easy for your customers to just go ahead and pick up a 30-piece set. They can do all the sizing and everything at home. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is what they look like applied on my customer. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks guys, bye.